The transition from high school to university can be daunting. At university, you may feel your values, opinions, and belief systems challenged by the complex nature of the university environment. This is, of course, in addition to you navigating the resources and support services you need to ensure your student success. But don't worry, you will not be alone. At WITS, we offer the First Year Experience Mentorship Program to guide and support your first year transitioning journey.
Mentors provide you with a sense of community to ensure that you feel a sense of belonging as you start your journey of becoming a VETSI. Mentors are a group of senior students with a vast institutional knowledge to guide your university experience. The relationship between a mentee and a mentor is one that is collectively cultivated, and the relationship is guided by your needs as a first year to ensure your holistic development. Mentors ensure that you feel like you are a partner in your learning journey and that you achieve your desired goals.
Your first year experience is shaped by you. Mentors simply facilitate it being everything you imagined. From introducing you to support services, academic resources, student life, and developmental opportunities, mentors will ensure you have a memorable first year experience at WITS.